Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Python version you want is installed. If not, install it system-wide or via Pyenv. Once done, open the project in Pycharm and go to Settings or Preferences. Make sure you know whether you need a virtualenv or system interpreter. Then navigate to Project. Name Python interpreter to start changing interpreters. This first step places you in the exact control panel to add or switch interpreters without guessing. Now you pick or add an interpreter. Click the gear and choose Add, then decide. Virtualenv for isolated projects, Conda if you use Anaconda, or System/SSH for global or remote interpreters. Point Pycharm to the Python executable or the environment folder. On Windows, use Python. exe, on Mac OS/Linux, use the bin/Python path. Once you select or create the env, Pycharm will index packages. Let it finish by applying the change and setting the chosen interpreter as the project interpreter, then click OK. Run a quick script or run configuration to confirm behavior. Pycharm may rebuild caches. Allow it to complete. If something goes wrong, restart Pycharm or invalidate caches and restart. If packages are missing, make sure pip points to the selected interpreter and reinstall. Also confirm your path or Pyenv shims aren't masking the intended Python.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.